What's going on, y'all? Safety Steve here. Today I wanted to do a review of AWE's Touring Edition catback exhaust for the 2015 Plus Dodge Challenger. Alright, y'all, so first thing I want to say is AWE has been an amazing company so far. They were very quick to ship it out. They were awesome communicating with me to make sure it was going to be the right fit, it was going to be the right product, and all their specs and everything. So huge shout out to AWE for this. It has really good bends. It's 3 inches all the way down. It has very, very good TIG welding done to it. There is absolutely zero issues. As you guys saw in the little video, in the little intro video, it's just really, really good quality. I really liked that a lot. Before I even had it out of the box, I could appreciate the craftsmanship behind it. So great job, AWE, there. Install was pretty easy. Just had to remove the old system, move a couple hangers over. We had to zip tie the actuators out of the way for the cutoffs, so they still rotate, still work, so there's no check engine light whatsoever. The only thing is you have to zip tie them out of the way. But that's super easy. They tell you in the instructions pretty much where to mount it. I found that that's one of the best mounting spots that I could find, and I haven't had an issue with that at all. It's great. I love not having those cutouts. I live in the country. I like it loud, so I don't want it toned down. I want it rowdy. From there, guys, basically we did the install, did the tips, lined everything up perfectly, had to adjust it a little bit here and there. Make sure you don't tighten anything all the way down until you have the whole system set up. So we installed it from the front all the way to the back, left everything just kind of snug, not super tight, so that we could still move it and make sure everything fit all the way to the back. Fitment was absolutely great, had no issues whatsoever there. The Touring Edition, I guess I want to get into that a little bit. So AWE has 180 degree technology. So basically it bounces the sound waves 180 degrees and cuts down all of the drone. There's actually no drone whatsoever with the Touring Edition exhaust. I really like it a lot. It's definitely loud. As soon as you step on it, you can definitely hear it getting loud. But at about 2,000 RPMs, going 80 miles an hour down the road, there's no drone. It's nice and quiet. You get to listen to your music. They did a fantastic job with that. So it's nice and quiet, no drone whatsoever, but you still have that big earthy tone from the H-pipe and from the 3 inches all the way back. So I really, really appreciate it. I love the sound. I was in contact with AWE, and I want to hear and experience what their track edition sounds like. So I'm really hoping that they send me a conversion kit over, and we will do another review of their track edition, and I'll kind of compare the two and be able to give you guys a really good review on that. If you guys have any questions at all, please hit me up in the comments. If there's anything you liked or didn't like about this video, put it in the comments. I will try my best to get back to all of you guys. I really appreciate it. I'm going to do some more driving with this. I'm going to do a lot more content with it. So hope you guys stick around. Thanks.